Hi everyone! Welcome back to my YouTube channel, Ayesha Loves Makeup. Today, I am so excited. I have another makeup mystery bag to unbag for you guys. I was about to say unbox. To unbag for you guys. I'm super excited because I think these are my favorite things to unbag. I know I love makeup subscription boxes, but these truly are my favorite. So if you guys want to know what I got in my 2021 Huda Beauty mystery bag, then keep on watching. Alrighty guys, so as always, before I ever do my unboxing or unbaggings, I always like to introduce myself to anyone new to my channel because I know I am a new YouTuber on here. So welcome anyone new. Hi, my name is Ayesha. I love all things makeup related. So this is majority of a makeup channel. I do lots of makeup subscription boxes on this channel because I love trying new products. Just call me a makeup junkie. So with that being said, you're going to see lots of makeup subscription unboxes, lots of mystery unboxing, hence what I'm doing today, and makeup hauls. If those are things you enjoy watching, then I would say consider subscribing to my YouTube channel and becoming a part of my YouTube family. I actually have a Huda Beauty mystery unbagging on my channel that I already posted. So I'll link that down below if you guys want to see what I got. I actually got one full-size item for free. If you guys want to know what that was, like I said, watch that video that I posted before. I'll have it in the description down below. But let's see if they made a mistake and gave me something for free for the second time around. You think my luck is going to be this good this time around? We shall see. And yeah, without further ado, let's get in the unbagging. Alrighty. So, when I first got my box, I did not know where this box came from because it looked like a normal, it was a regular cardboard box. It didn't say Huda Beauty on it or anything like that to that extent. So I did not know, what I was getting. So I saw it in tiny print. It said Huda Beauty. I actually got this box super fast. I want to say randomly, I was going through one of my makeup feeds, and I saw that Huda Beauty was having another mystery box or bag, whatever you want to call it. So I was like, oh my gosh, I gotta get it because the other one that they had, I absolutely loved. I fell in love with her liquid lips, these little things from doing the mystery bag that I got. So I'm curious to see what I'm gonna fall in love with this time around from doing the mystery bag the second time around. So I'm just gonna stop blabbing. I'm just so excited that I'm just talking, but I just want to see what I got. So let's see what I got. I did not get both of them because from other people's videos from the first time around, I saw that there was doubles from the small and the large. So I didn't want to get doubles of anything. So I just got the large in hopes that, the large had the majority of the good stuff. Let's go over prices. So the small mystery bag was $49 and the large was $89. So I got the large for $89. And I paid $96.67 with tax for this. So let's see, was it worth the $100? Also, it says, that when you get the large size, you save 67% off. When you get the small size, you save 57% off. So like a 10% difference between the two. And without further ado, let's see. So this is what it looks like. I took it out the box already just for time purposes, but this is what it looks like. There's little kisses on the tissue paper. Then when you open her up, it's in a little Huda Beauty Ziploc bag, a large Ziploc bag. So let's take her out. I'm super excited. And this is what she looks like. Yes, Huda Beauty. This is cute though. I'm going to hold my makeup in this. This was a cute little bag. The last time around, she gave us like a Huda Beauty tote bag, which I don't even know where that's at right now, to be honest with you. Who knows? But you can even reuse this, like this little Ziploc bag, which is kind of cool. It looks like the bubble wrap that's in here is like attached to the Ziploc, so you can reuse it. So I'm definitely going to save that. So right off the bat for presentation, I love this little a travel bag. It says makeup bag. It says Huda Beauty Wishful. It says large for set. So I'm guessing I have 4 items in here. All right, so let's open her up and see what I got. Alrighty. So the first time around when I got the Huda Beauty mystery bag, I didn't have a lot of items from Huda Beauty. Now I have a decent amount of stuff from just other makeup subscription boxes and from the one I got before. So let's see if I got, oh no, I see a repeat of something. I have like, I want to say like, this is going to be my 3rd one I have, but I'll show you guys in a second. So we got like a little Huda Beauty card here. It says, we hope you love your mystery bundle, gorgeous, because we hope you found some of your new favorites. You get 15% off with your next purchase. Alrighty. So the first thing I got is a beauty blender by Huda Beauty. It says the Basic B Straight Edge Sponge Applicator. So that's my first thing I got, which I'm not too thrilled to get. Like, it's just a beauty blender, so not excited. Like I said, I paid $96.67. I have my receipt down there. $96.67. So $100 worth. They said you save at least what 50-something percent. So let's see if I got a good bang for my buck. Cause so far I'm not loving anything. The next thing I got is really Huda Beauty air freshener. Wow, this is not looking too good. This is not looking too good right now. Not looking too good. Because I don't think anybody's thrilled to get this air freshener. But nevertheless, let's continue. I got a Huda Beauty Diamond Balm in Sparkly Lip Balm. Okay, so that's one thing that I finally like. The color is called Negligee. It's like a neutral color. Let me open her up. So, I love the pack, guys. Look at the packaging on this. Wow, this is cute. I'm here for the packaging. Oh, what, guys, did you guys see this? Look at that sparkle. You guys see the sparkle on this? Yes. Okay, so this is cute. Ooh, look at that. We here for the sparkle. I'm not going to mess up my juicy lips right now, but I'm here for this. So, if anything, I love at least this one item so far. All right. The next thing I got is a Huda Beauty double eyeliner pencil and liquid. Okay, so I like this. I'm here for that. We here for that. All right, so let's open her up. This is what she looks like. And it's dual-sided, it says. So one side's pencil and one side is liquid. That's what she looks like. So the liquid is something that you have to like dip into, like a pot. And then the pencil is mechanical. It goes up and down. So I'm actually not mad at it. I like that. So far I love 2 items. So this is the thing that I was sad about because I already own this already. It's the Huda Beauty Summer Highlight Palette. I want to say this is the one that I have, but we'll double check to see. All right, this is what the palette looks like. I already own this palette already. So I'm definitely going to save this as for a giveaway because I already own this. I got it in one of my makeup subscription boxes. But that's what she looks like. Oh, look at that highlight on her cheek. Yes, highlight. All right, so that's one item I already own already. So not happy about that. Ooh, a Huda Beauty lip strobe. That's what she looks like. That's what the outside packaging looks like. So I don't think I have any lip strobes. Now, if it was somebody from darker skin tone, I don't think they would like this item, but for me, it's going to go fine for me. It's a beautiful pearl. Oh my God, guys. Do you guys see this? Look at this bad boy. Yes. Yes. So happy for this. Add to my collection. All right. So let's see what else I got. The next thing I got is a honey balm by Wishful, which I think is like Huda Beauty's skincare line. It's a jelly moisturizer. So I'm never excited for like skincare items, but I don't have anything from this skincare line, so I will keep that. This is what it's called, Wishful. Let's give her a smell. Smells kind of, I don't know, like a moisturizer. Smells like a moisturizer. What does a moisturizer even smell like? But it smells like that. It says suitable for all skin types, gentle, simple, effective. It looks like it has like little pearl flecks in here, which is kind of cool. Smells like a moisturizer. Oh, we get a palette. Yes. We get a palette. Look at this, her packaging. Yes, packaging. Let's see what palette this is. I only have the 4-pan palettes from her. I have one of a palette like this that I just recently got from my Ipsy Glam Bag X. So this is my second like huge palette from Huda Beauty. I normally don't buy these palettes because they're expensive. Oh, wow. Woo! Yes, palette, come through. Look at this palette, guys. Wow, wow, wow. Hold on. Wow, 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 wow. Yes, palette. I'm loving the palette. So I want to say her palettes are like super, and it's a huge mirror. I love that. I love this palette. I love this palette. I have no idea the prices because I really don't buy any of like the Huda Beauty stuff. I don't really buy makeup too much anymore. I just mostly do like my makeup subscription. But actually, who am I fooling? I do an Ulta haul like every week. And not just like $5. I do like $1,000 hauls. If you guys want to see those videos, I'll link it down below too. Don't judge me. But nevertheless, I love this palette. So just for the simple fact that this was in the mystery box or bag, whatever you want to call it, I think it was worth the money just for me just getting this. I love the lipstick. The lipstick was great. The beauty blender was but I would use it. I love that they gave us like the liquid liner and pencil. I'm never thrilled about getting moisturizers, but I'll try it. And it says jelly moisturizer, which I've never tried jelly moisturizer, so that'll be interesting to try. What else did they give me? And had I not had this, I would have been happy to have this. So I'm gonna save this I'm gonna do a giveaway when I hit 1,000 subscribers. So this will be inside there. So stay tuned for that giveaway. When I get closer to the contest and closer to my milestone count, I'll give you more details about how you could win. Alrighty, guys. So what did you guys think? I'm trying to think. Do I like the Huda Beauty mystery bag that I previously did, or is this one better? I mean, the other one they gave like a mini palette. I like that this one they give you a huge palette. I think it was okay. I paid $96. It was definitely worth the $96 because I want to say this palette's like almost worth $100. I'm happy I got it. I'm curious if the small and the large had like the same things. That's the only reason why I didn't get the small one, because last time around people got doubles. A lot of people got like 2 of the same palettes, 2 of the same lip colors. So I did not want to get doubles because I'm only one person. So I only got just the large size. Nevertheless, I'm happy with everything I got. I did not get a full-size item for free this time around. So I guess there are people in their warehouse are being a little bit more aware of putting their products in their boxes. Nevertheless, I loved everything. Oh, and I forgot the liquid lip. And I forgot we got the liquid lip too. I didn't say that. That was one of the things I liked. So overall, these 2 are my favorite things. The palette and the liquid lip. And the lipstick. So there was 3 things I actually loved. Actually, you could say 4. The only thing I didn't really love was, well, like I said, had I not had this highlighter palette, I would have liked it. So, because it is a beautiful palette. I do have this palette already. I think I got it in a BoxyCharm or something, I want to say. Yeah, I want to say I think I got it in BoxyCharm. Yes, but I'm happy, and I can't wait to use this new makeup bag of mine. This bag is cute. I'm here for it. What do you guys think? What did you guys think of this mystery bag? I'm happy with it. You know, it's a lot of new products that I didn't get to try, so I definitely can't wait to try this palette out. I'm about to try this palette out tomorrow. And that's really about it. Thank you guys so much for watching my video. Like I said, if you're new to my channel and you like watching mystery makeup unboxings, I do a lot of those on my channel. I have a whole playlist full of makeup mystery unboxings from all different brands. So if you're ever considering doing any makeup subscription boxes or any mystery boxes, like check out my channel because you get to see a little sneak peek of what you may get. Because I do so many of those type of unboxings on my channel. So do me a favor, guys. If you liked my video and you appreciate my content, just give me a lovely thumbs up. It really helps the channel, and I really appreciate when you guys show your love and support. Thank you for anyone who has been subscribing to my channel. I appreciate each and every one of my new subscribers and helping me get to my milestone of finally reaching 1,000 subscribers. That's it for my video. You guys know I'll be back. I have a lot of hauls. So the next video I'm going to post is like I want to say my $800 Ulta haul. It's almost 1,000. I got a lot of more stuff that I didn't need. So if you guys want to see, what I got in my Ulta shopping haul, stay tuned for my next video.